Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone speaker is not working and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So one of the solution that's going to work in most cases, one of the first thing that you need to try is you need to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So let me show you how to do it. So what you need to do is we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Then you have to press and hold the power button over here and make sure that you do all this very fast or instantly you have to do it. So let me show you. Let me press the volume up, volume down, then press and hold over here like this. You have to keep press this particular button unless and until you see the Apple logo. And make sure that you do this all in an instant of time. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove the finger from there. Then you just need to wait completely so that your iPhone will be completely loading up. And this is one of the first step you need to try when you're having the speaker issue on your iPhone as well. Now just get into your phone over here using the password. You can give that and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably that's going to help. Still, if you're having the trouble, there might be another reason. So one of the reasons that happens is the Bluetooth connection. So to do so, we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here, go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, if Bluetooth might be turned on for some reasons, like I said over here, sometimes, for example, you are in home while your dad is taking away your car. Maybe it accidentally connect to the car. Whenever you're trying to play any kind of audio, it is going to play on the car. So make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth only when it is required, right? Or not only in the car, maybe any Bluetooth devices that you're having over here on your home. Make sure if it is connected to that as automatically, that is also reason why everything will be played over there. So you have to turn off the Bluetooth and try turning it on like a good practice only when it is required, right? And also you have to check with it. And still, if you're having any kind of trouble, the next one, the very important thing is all about make sure that you're not in the silent mode. In the mobile devices like I'm using over here, as you can see, this is 14 Pro Max. We have a ringer over here or silent button over here. What I need to do is I just need to change the button from there. So right now, as you can see, it is not in the silent mode, then I have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, then one of the steps you need to try it is all about you have to try reset all settings. So to do so, we have to go over here in the general, tap on it. From here, you have to scroll it down all the way down. And there is an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Go for the reset over here. And there is an option called reset all settings. Keep in mind, the resetting all settings won't wipe any of your data or personal things. It will just reset all the settings and most probably that's going to help. So these are some of the steps you need to try when you're having an issue with this. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.